Here is the surprise. A business credit card can say your company name on the front, but the bank may still be asking, if this business cannot pay, will the owner pay? That promise is called a personal guarantee. It is like signing for a phone plan for your teenager. The phone is theirs, but the bill can still come back to you. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Personal guarantee. A promise that you will personally pay the business debt if the business cannot. No personal guarantee. The lender does not require the owner to personally promise payment. Business credit file. A record of how the business handles credit, bills, loans, and trade accounts. Default. When an account becomes seriously unpaid and the lender treats it as a major problem. Corporate card. A card meant for a business, often based more on the company's money, history. Now let's jump in. A personal guarantee means you are personally on the hook if the business does not pay. Not your logo, not your website, you. Think of it like a co-signer on a car loan. The lender likes the car buyer, but wants someone stronger standing behind them. Early in business credit, that stronger person is usually the owner. Banks are not just checking a score, they are reading a risk story. If your business is new, its story may be thin, like a student with only one homework grade. The bank does not know the pattern yet, so it looks at your personal credit, income, and history to decide if lending to the business feels safe. Many major business cards with a personal guarantee do not show up on your personal credit report every month if you pay on time. That means the balance may not affect your personal credit usage the same way a personal card would. But do not get too relaxed. If the account defaults, which means it goes seriously unpaid, it can come back to hurt your personal credit. Think of your first business cards like basic kitchen tools. You are not opening a restaurant with one pan, but you can start cooking. Use the card for real business expenses. Pay on time. Keep the balance low compared to the limit. That low balance is called low utilization. It tells lenders this business can handle credit without maxing it out. The long-term dream is a true no personal guarantee corporate card. That means the lender judges the business by the business itself. Its revenue, cash flow, payment history, age, and business credit file matter more than the owner's personal promise. This is like your child getting their own apartment after proving they can pay rent on time. Here is where people get trapped. They hear business card and think it is free from personal risk. Not always. Read the terms. Know if there is a personal guarantee. Watch fees, interest, late payments, and cash advances. Never use fake business info. Smart strategy is building a real business profile. Risky behavior is pretending to be something you are not. 850 AI helps you look at your credit story the way a lender might. It can help you understand what is on your personal reports, spot weak areas, plan credit building steps, and think through when a business card makes sense. The goal is not magic. The goal is control. You build the file, lower the risk, and make better moves over time.